Oh man, what's going on here? It's so hot and it stinks. What's going on? I think there's a smell that is just left behind. How can I get rid of any of this? I need something to keep me cool and at the same time possibly get rid of the smell. Oh, and another thing that I want is also I can control it from my phone. And what's happening YouTube? Today we're looking at the Smart Purifier Tower Fan by DREO. This is the MC710S, the first industry dual motor purifier tower fan with unrivaled performance. We're gonna test that out today and see how well it does. If you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below, so go ahead and check that out as well. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Let's go ahead and open this up. Here we go. There it is. Inside we get tower fan right here. We also get an instruction manual right here and a remote. So that's everything in the box. Let's take off some plastic here. Now, one of the greatest features of this Purifier Tower fan is that it has dual motors that corresponds to controlling the fan wheel and the Purifier fan wheel separately. It allows for the independent operations for two motors. So right now we have the DREO turned off. And if you want to turn it on, you'd go up here, hit the on button right there. That will turn on the fan. Right now it's set to 1 and the air purifier is actually already on. So if you want to turn off the air purifier, you would then hit this and it will show right there on the screen if you want it auto or turned off. So if we check right now, because it's turned off, the motor would actually be turned off, as you could see there. Now up here, if you hit this, this will actually increase your air speed, as you could see there. But it doesn't change the air purifier at all. And if you want to turn on the air purifier, all you have to do is hit the leaf. And there's 3 options there, 1, 2, and 3. Or you keep it for auto, because it auto detects as well for that. Pretty cool. Unlike single motor products that can only control purification and blowing simultaneously, the DREO Smart Tower Fan actually captures 99.97% of particles larger than 0.3 micrometers in the air. It effortlessly filters pet hair, dust mites, pollen, various bacteria, and more. This actually is a true HEPA filter, which is a shield against pollution. The dual motor setup also delivers 2.3 times faster winds compared to single motor setups. It provides ultra long range clean and fresh air up to 39 feet away. So right now it's set up to 1. It's about halfway is 6. Super quiet. Let's go up all the way. Right now we have it set on 12, and even from far away as where I am right now, it's about 7 feet away from the fan. I can feel the wind as if it's like in front of me. So that's really good. Let's just go further, maybe about 10 feet. I'll go to the hallway and see if it's still gonna hit me. I'm by the door now. This is about 20 feet away. I'll show you where it is right now. So it's pretty far away, as you could see, and I could still feel the wind. That's so awesome. This also has a max wind speed of 27 feet per second, and it has a max air volume of 1558 CFM. The smart controls as well on the app is super intuitive. Now we have the app here. Let's go ahead and open this up. There you go. Hit agree, notification yes. We'll create an account as well. Once you've created an account, go ahead and hit add device. It will detect what we have here, which is the MC710S. Now we're gonna go ahead and start the pair, so we have to hold this for 5 seconds. After that, the Wi-Fi icon will start to blink right there. Now we're gonna connect it to the Wi-Fi, and right there it'll connect it to the router, to our Wi-Fi. Super quick as well. And there it is. It succeeded. Just gonna go hit tower fan right there, name it that. Go through a little bit of instruction there, and you're good to go. Now from here on the app, you'll be able to control everything here. So you can turn on and off the fan, as you could see there. Pretty cool. You could change the ambient temp as well, or the air quality right there. By clicking that, you can change the purification to 1, 2, 3 or auto. Fan to auto, sleep, or increase the speed there. Now it's super quiet as well. We're on the highest speed. And that is the sound for that. Really good. There's the oscillation. We can turn on as well. And then you can even increase or decrease how much degrees you want it to turn. 90 degrees, 60 degrees, or 120 degrees. That is the maximum. And then the arbitrary, if you want to, you know, one side will only come up to here, and because there's intrusion or whatever, you can adjust it with this, which is really awesome. So that you can actually get the area and not waste any air where there's no one there. There's also the horizontal angle control. So you can select it on where it's facing. You can add a common angle as well. So wherever it's sitting, so that it always points to wherever you're sitting as well. You can also have different preferences that you can change. Display, panel sound, make a sound like that, or child lock as well, so that your child won't be able to change the settings from here, only from the app. There's also the ambient temp here for display, or you can change the filter life, PM 2.5, or fan level. You can also calibrate the oscillation here. You can hit instant calibration. It'll detect how far everything goes, which is really awesome. You don't have to physically do it yourself or set it yourself. You can let the calibration do it for you. And then there's the temperature unit, which we're in Canada, so we're gonna use Celsius there. It also has voice control like Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa. It has auto mode that detects air quality, so it will turn on the purification fan automatically. And it has a temperature and air quality reports. While you're using this, it will give you reports of the air quality. Honestly, I love the design of this. It's super light as well. It has dual motors, and it's just a nice sleek aluminum design all throughout. You could see the bottom here of the fan, and it just, while it's spinning, so you could see that it's actually circulating the air, and the fan for the air filter is working. Now, thanks for watching, everyone. I hope I was able to help you on your choice on a brand new smart Purifier tower fan. This one is by DREO. If you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit that like button. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.